Alright guys, welcome. In this video I'll teach you how to find link in bio on Instagram. So let's say you just finished watching an Instagram reel or looking at a post and it said link in bio for all the products mentioned or something like that. So I'm going to take this account as an example right here. So after you finished watching your post, you want to go to their profile, and the link part is the part in blue. Now if the link is in blue, it means it is a hyperlink and it means it is clickable. So if you just press on this link right here, it takes you to the page which they are promoting or trying to sponsor. So like I said, if you want to find the link in bio, you want to go to that person's page and click on the blue part. Usually it should be one link. Now it may be very different, it might be a shortened link or whatnot, but it really depends on the person and what they are trying to promote or advertise. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. You go to their profile directly from the post and you click on the blue link, which is a hyperlink. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.